Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share Steam games using Steam Family in 2026. This feature lets you share your games library with family or friends without giving them your password, and I'll explain exactly how it works and how to set it up. So what is Steam Family? Steam Family is Valve's official game sharing system that allows you to share your purchased games with other Steam accounts on approved devices. Each person keeps their own saves, achievements, and progress while accessing the same game library. To enable Steam Family, first open Steam and click on Settings, go to the Family section and turn on Steam Family Sharing. Now sign into the Steam account you want to share games with on the same PC at least once. Steam uses this to recognize and authorize the device. Under Steam Family, you'll see a list of eligible accounts. Check the box next to the account you want to share your library with and confirm. That account can now access your games when they log into Steam on that approved computer. When someone borrows your game library, they can play any shared game that is not currently in use. If you start playing a game from your library, they'll get a warning to exit or buy the game. Only one person can use a specific game at one time. Each user still has separate save files, so progress never overlaps. Not all games support Steam Family. Some online or subscription based games may exclude it. Also, shared accounts must follow Steam's rules because any cheating or bans affect the owner too. And that's it. That's how you share Steam games using Steam Family in 2026. I hope that you like this video, and if you truly did, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.